Send it to your mom. Good job, Mason. What's in there?
Got it all off.
Good job.
Now what? Oh, we put it. Look in here. What's that? More paper? And more? Hey, there's nothing in there. What'd you do?
What is it?
A label.
From
Got it?
the bow. The sticky part. He tore the ribbon off. Yeah, you got a box. You got a box.
You should give him a toy.
I know, I just didn't know which one to give him. He doesn't have that many presents. Yeah.
He's got an extra PlayStation over there.
I know.
When we run for it, we'll be like, oh yeah, we found that.
There's a lot of birthday presents.
Yeah!
Yay, a box!
There's another one, yep. Thank you. Oh, you don't want to give it to me, you just want me to touch it. Nathan.
For me? Oh, thank you. Thank you. No, not for me. Oh, look at Mommy. Oh. Oh, you're the best present. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.